Welcome all of you sauce and gravy lovers out there. This is Johnny Mac with the Sauce and Gravy channel. Are you ready to dive into a sauce for a salad? Well, here we go. I'm going to show you how to make a creamy Dijon and garlic vinaigrette. Buckle up, let's go. Grab your favorite mixing bowl and add 1 tablespoon or 25 grams of Dijon mustard. If you want to add texture, use a grainy mustard. And you know, yellow mustard would also work. If you use it, I won't tell anybody. Round up your garlic press. If you don't have one of these, it's time to get one. Mince 1 clove of garlic. You can also use a microplane if you like, or if you want to chop it up on a board, just make sure that you smash it so it releases those oils to add flavor to the vinaigrette. For a hint of sweetness, granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon. Then add some salt, 1/2 teaspoon. And whenever you add the salt, you've got to add the pepper. You don't want it to be jealous. So 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, pour it in. So you're doing a great job, we're moving right along. Now it's time to add the liquids. White wine vinegar, 3 tablespoons, 45 milliliters, pour it in. Now I'm sure you're starting to notice this is a very quick and easy salad dressing recipe. It's really a no-brainer that you can whip up right on the spot. For your last ingredient, add oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil, 1/2 cup or 125 milliliters. And you know, I really love this salad dressing. It is so versatile, you can use it as a sauce. I like to drizzle it on grilled salmon, grilled chicken, put it on some fried pork. It's absolutely a knockout. And finally, bring out the big guns and keep whisking, y'all. And that's all there really is to it. Oh, nope, forgot. Oh, there's one more step. You've got to enjoy it. Thank you for watching Sauce and Gravy Nation. I really appreciate all of your support. If you found this recipe helpful, smash that like button. And if you're not a member of the Sauce and Gravy community just quite yet, smash that subscribe button to learn new sauce and gravy making tips and techniques. And remember, keep whisking, y'all.